Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to reopen Instagram photos already viewed. So let's get started. So if you want to reopen Instagram photos which are already viewed, that means if you just view that photo once in the chat, it will be disappeared after that. So if you want to view that photo again, what you have to do is just simply follow some steps that I'll show you. So just open up your Instagram application. After opening up your Instagram application, now in the top right corner of your screen, you can find a message icon. Just tap on it, and after tapping on that, now here you can see a person has sent me a one-time photo. So if I'll just tap on it and try to view it, I can only view it once because you will know that's a one-time photo because you have a small view photo icon in the bottom left corner of your screen. So now if you just want to view that photo again, what you have to do is just tap on it, and after tapping on it, now just tap and hold on to that photo and then take a screenshot of it. So before the timer ends, you have to take a screenshot, and after taking a screenshot, you can use that screenshot to again reopen that photo. So that's it guys, this is how to reopen Instagram photos already viewed. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.